Once you're into Newsela and you're logged in and you have your account set up, you're probably going to want to start getting your students set up on the website. The way you're going to do that is to go back up to your profile up here, but now you're going to click down here where it says classes. So if we're adding students to our class, there's a couple of ways we can do that. The first is to just give them this code right here. So if you have your class set up and you have them come to the Newsela website, it will ask them to join a class, and then they can put this code in, and that means that will be in that class. The other thing you can do is to email out a class link. You can send this out. So you want to email this to your class, and then click on that link, and then it will pop them into your class automatically. So it's pretty simple adding students to your class. Another thing you can do is if you use Google Classroom, and you'll notice in a lot of these courses now that Google Classroom is pretty versatile in that if you have your students logged in there, you can often use this tool to pop your kids in to other tools. So you could import a class from Google Classroom by signing in with your Google account and then having it go to your class and doing all this stuff. And yes, it will have to request permission and get through all these things, which can be kind of a pain in the behind, but it does save you the struggle of having to go in and send emails or do those codes or even involve your students at all. So you can just import your classes directly, and it's going to save you a lot of time and effort. So you do also want to make sure that you have your grades set up so it knows what to kind of send out to them and stuff. Alright, so the class is imported, so yeah, it's pretty simple to do that. And these kind of classes will sync from Classroom. So yeah, those are all the ways that you can set your students up inside this. One thing you probably do want to know is that if you are doing elementary, you're going to want to note that over here. So the way that the articles get leveled, it can be different based on the grade level you're teaching, and the content that gets put to the front can be different based on the grade. So you won't see the same things if you're elementary than if you are a middle school or high school student. So yeah, that's getting started with your students and having them join your class on Newsela.